Gessler, your family is here from Goodyear, Arizona, and you tore it up.
Thank you. It's great to be here in Spanish Fork today. I love it here.
And how special to have wife, kids here, and the most beautiful day at the festival of speed.
This is a perfect air show day. Thank you so much for having me.
And for you to volunteer to fly that thing twice, and then the second flight that we dedicated to patriotic, and maybe you weren't down on the ground listening, but there was almost a tear in every eye as, you know, you protected our freedoms for life, and here you are flying for us today, and then that second flight patriotic was amazing.
Well, it's an honor to be here. It's an honor to serve. I love the United States of America. I love it here, and it's great to fly and show everybody what an airplane can do, and especially I'm here for the youth, for the kids, so they can see that aviation is possible, and everybody can be a pilot if they want to, and follow your dreams. You can do it, and I'm just happy to be an air show guy and living the dream and being able to deal with you here today in Spanish Fork.
So special. Thank you, our friend from Goodyear, Arizona. The next time you're on a Southwest flight, maybe go knock on the door and see if it's your buddy, Carl Gessler.
Awesome. Good to meet you, Josh.
Okay, Brad.
We're doing some video. Okay, ready? We're going to do some loops. Do a loop with me. Go like this. Switch hands.
I think they're trying to figure out how they're lining up. I hear squawk on the radio. I'm not right in front of it, but I hear them talking.
It's coming back down. Oh!
Something must be going on.